And this is how to allow weekend appointment bookings in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to allow weekend bookings in Hostinger website builder appointment system. As you see, by default, the Saturdays and Sundays are blocked from booking by default. So how to allow them? It's simple. Just go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Now, next to your website, click on manage store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to allow weekend bookings in Hostinger appointment system, simply go to appointments and click on availability. Now, here in your weekly hours, make sure to check this box next to Saturday and Sunday. And of course, you can edit the time slot from here, and you can even add a separate one here. Now that the Saturdays and Sundays are enabled, let's go back, make sure, or let's see if this this box check-in is enough. So I will give my website a visit, then go to store, open again the calendar, and as you see, now the Saturdays and Sundays are available for booking. So no need to update your website from the website builder. Just checking those two boxes is enough.